Developments are already underfoot in Switzerland. Zurich is a popular location with banks. There's an initiative here that advocates reining in the Swiss banks. In future, it says, only the national bank should be allowed to create money, not private banks anymore. The initiative is fighting for fully backed money and an end to the privilege of big banks to generate electronic money at the push of a button. Reinhold Haringer used to be city treasurer in St. Gallen. It was then he understood that we can't carry on with limitless loans and debts.
90% of all our money is just numbers on a computer in a bank somewhere. The banks make this money. That's what we find worrying, and that's what we want to change.
Great things have small beginnings. But members of the initiative are striking a chord with many passers-by. They distrust the financial system. The major banks are creating a spiral of loans and debt with their money creation.
I'm a former banker, now retired. I can't say that with pride anymore. They're casinos now.
The manipulation happens everywhere. We and the future generation are being robbed.
At the moment, it's primarily the big banks who are pocketing the profits of this money-making enterprise. The Swiss initiative wants these billions to benefit the country's citizens by only allowing the national bank to create money.
We want to take away the right of banks to create money, but we're not taking away a line of business. They'll still be allowed to lend money and manage assets and oversee financial transactions. The banks get to keep all of that.
They want their national bank to play a key role in the future. Private banks would only be allowed to issue loans if they have the money in their vaults, 100% secure. Private banks would not be allowed to create deposit money anymore, and the profits from this privilege would also benefit the national bank. The general public are the winners. The national bank is obligated to look after their well-being. The group want the creation of money to be state-controlled and not in the hands of private banks. Billions in interest payments would then flow into the public purse.
I support these various initiatives. Banks wouldn't be able to create new money. They'd have to work with the money they have and deposits. That's a good first step. It's not enough, but it's an important step on the path towards a fair financial system.